Hello guys, before going into the haloalkanes and haloarenes, I would just brush up through some of the important requirements of the first year and some of the concepts I'll just clear it and cover it so that it will help you to understand the concepts better of your second year. Now today's concept we will be just seeing some of the remembrance points. Okay. Now for that we will require some of the important atoms of the organic chemistry. One is hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. I can also take an halogen, but this is more than sufficient. Now we should know how many bonds, the number of bonds it can form in any of its molecules, and also the lone pair of electrons. Okay. Now we'll have to have this data in mind so that it will help us a lot. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Now the number of bonds in any molecule, if I take hydrogen, you take any molecule, it will be forming one bond, correct? It will be having only one bond over here. Now the number of bonds the carbon atom can form in its molecule is 4, okay, 4 without any charge. Now the number of bonds, how many the nitrogen can form, nitrogen ella molecule alli ಎಷ್ಟು bond form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3. Now let me take an example of this. Hydrogen, let me take water, H2O, correct? Now look at this hydrogen, 1 bond. Look at this hydrogen, 1 bond. In the same way, if I take methane, methane. Now methane ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ you can see that whether it is any hydrogen atom over here, they are having only single bonds over here, and the carbon atoms will be having 4 bonds, correct? So this is correct. Now let me go for the next one. If I take ammonia, over here, now the ammonia structure is something like this. I have NH3, so 1 nitrogen, and there are 3 hydrogen atoms over here. See here, with hydrogen there are 3 bonds, and with nitrogen there are 3 bonds. With the hydrogen, each hydrogen has 1 bond, and with nitrogen there are 3 bonds over here. So this is correct. Now oxygen already bardidwe, water molecule bardaga, you can see that hydrogen is forming 1 bond, oxygen are forming 2 bonds. So I'll write 2 over here, 2 bonds. Now this is a basic data, what you have to remember. Okay. Now another thing which you have to remember is the number of lone pair of electrons which an atom carries in its molecule. Now how do I remember this? ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Simple. When we add these two, this is an exception. Hydrogen is an exception. We cannot take this. When we add this bonds and the lone pairs, okay, number of bonds and the lone pairs, it should come up to 4, 4 and 4. For information, I can even put it as halogen, illandre fluorine anta ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. The number of bonds 1 ತಗೋಣ. Now this should be 4. Now this will give us the number of lone pair of electrons which is carried by the atom over here. That is, if I take carbon, it will be 4, 4 andre ಅದು 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I told you this hydrogen is an exception. When we go for the nitrogen, now this is, it will be 4 minus 3, or 3 plus 1 will be your 4, and oxygen it will be 2 plus 2 will be your 4, fluorine 1 plus 3 will be your 4. Now this holds good for most of the atoms or all the elements of the family. For example, nitrogen family ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ phosphorus 1 lone pair of electron, oxygen family ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ sulfur 2 lone pair of electrons, chlorine ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 lone pair of electrons. This is common for all the families. Okay. Now where do we use this? And what is this 4 over here? This 4 is nothing but 8 electrons or 4 pair of electrons in the outermost shell, which is nothing but the octet configuration. So remember this data. Carbon can form 4 bonds, nitrogen will form 3 bonds, oxygen will form 2 bonds, and fluorine will be forming 1 bond in its molecule. Okay, 1 bond in its molecule. Now the number of lone pairs over here will be 0, 1, 2, 3. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಂತೂ ನಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿರುತ್ತೆ. So I'll just put 4 over here. So when you add these two, I should get the value of this. Okay. Now where do we use this? Now this data is used to find out the concept of hybridization. Okay, the concept of hybridization. Now how do you find out the hybridization? Most of the time ನಾವು ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು sp3 hybridization. ಓಕೆ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? There are 3 types of hybridization. One is sp hybridization, another one is sp2 hybridization, another one is sp3 hybridization. It cannot go for the dsp, d2sp, d ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ d ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So you can really say, you can just randomly very confidently say that it is either sp, sp2 or sp3 hybridization. Okay. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ನಾವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು sp3 ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ sp2 ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು sp ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, there are certain molecules. Now confuse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. One of such molecule is called as allene. Okay, allene. Allene ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? The structure of allene is nothing but I have a double bond, carbon, double bond, carbon, hydrogen. To be more specific, I should write a wedge over here. I should write a dashed line over here. This concept we'll discuss later. Okay, now in the case of allenes, if I look at this, I have double bond ಇದೆ, sp2 hybridization, double bond ಇದೆ, sp2 hybridization. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ double bond ಇದೆ, sp2 hybridization ಅಂತ random ಆಗಿ double bond ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು hybridization ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Now we will just check whether this is correct or not. So what we will do is we will just learn a small trick how to find out the hybridization of an atom. Okay. Now if you want to find out the hybridization of either carbon, nitrogen or hydrogen will not undergo any hybridization. Remember it because it has only s orbital. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Okay, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen in any of its molecule, in a neutral molecule. How do you find out the hybridization over here? Okay. Now what you will have to do is, first you have to count the number of sigma bonds of the particular atom of interest. ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ we will write the lone pair of electrons which would be present on that element. Okay, on that atom. Carbon ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಗೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, now let me express this in the form of x. I'll get a value x. Okay, now this x I will write it in the form of 1 plus y. I'll split it in the form of 1 plus y. When I split it in the form of 1 plus y, express in the form of sp. s ಗೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, p to the power of y ಹಾಕೋಣ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. This will be the hybridization. Okay, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. There is no magic, this is just logic. Okay, now let me take a methane molecule. In the case of methane molecule, I have to find out the hybridization of carbon. Hydrogen will not undergo any hybridization. Okay, now let me find out the number of sigma bonds. Okay, now there are two types of bond. One is a sigma bond, another one is a pi bond. Now we will not go in depth about the sigma bond and pi bond. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ, ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪೈ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್. Is this clear? Okay. Now if I go for the CH4 over here, carbon atom will have 4 bonds and hydrogen will have 1 bond. So based on that, I can write the structure like this. Howda? Idaralli the number of bonds which are present over here are 4. So the number of 4 bonds and all are sigma bonds. So this will be 4. The value is 4. What are the lone pair of electrons? We know that carbon does not have any lone pair of electrons. So this will be 4 plus 0. Right? Okay. Now I am expressing the value over here will be 4. If I express this 4 in the form of 1 plus y, the value of y is 3. So if the value of y is 3, this is sp3. We know that methane is sp3 hybridized. Okay, my logic holds good over here. Now based on this, let me find out the hybridization of two more molecules and then we will talk about the allenes and we will answer this question mark which I forgot to put. Okay, now if I go to the next molecule, a CH2, double bond CH2 ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು sp2 hybridization ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So we will directly call it as sp2, no problem. We will cross check here. Now what should we have? First we have to find out number of sigmas. And here don't forget, when we write it as CH2, it is the condensed formula. ಇದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, sigma bond ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು pi bond ಇದೆ. So this carbon has 3 sigma bonds plus. Carbon will never have lone pair of electron, 0. Value of x, ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, value of x will be 3. split it in the form of 1 plus y. This is my 1 plus 2. What is the hybridization? S to the power of 1, P to the power of 2. So this is sp2 hybridization. Correct. sp2 hybridization. Now, we will take another molecule. over here. H, C, triple bond, CH. E carbon atom. So in this, now once again, when I expand this is my one bond, sigma. Illi nanage one sigma irutte, 2 pi bonds irutte. So let me put this number of sigma 1 plus lone pair 0. This will be, the number of sigma 2, the lone pair 0, x value is 2, x can be written as 1 plus 1. So the hybridization is sp hybridization. This is clear? Houdu. Triple bond idre sp hybridization. Namage idu gottittu. Idಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ R C ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ N. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ sp ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದು ನೋಡೋಣ. Now if you want to find out the hybridization of the nitrogen, we will do the same exercise which we did earlier. Now hybridization of nitrogen is equal to number of sigma plus lone pair is equal to x is equal to 1 plus y is equal to sp to the power of y. Now the number of sigmas over here on nitrogen is only 1. Correct? This is pi, this is pi, this is sigma. So it's very carbon? No. These bonds belong to both carbon as well as nitrogen. So the number of sigma with nitrogen will be 1 plus. Lone pair on nitrogen, we had the data. Nitrogen ge 3 bond ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 4 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 lone pair of electron ಇರಬೇಕು. So the 1 lone pair of electron, I'll put it over here. Okay. Now the value of x will be 2 and 1 plus 1. So this is sp hybridization. It holds good. It perfectly holds good. In the case of cyanide, nitrogen is sp hybridized. Okay. Now let us find out whether this holds good once again for an oxygen atom. For an oxygen atom. Now let me take R, C, R dash, double bond O. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Now once again the number of sigma over here will be 1 sigma 1 pi ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2. ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 4 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೋನ್ ಪೈರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ 2. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2. Okay, this is 1 plus 2 over here, and if I just add this, it will be 3, and now I can write the 3 in the form of 1 and 2, and this is sp2 hybridization. This oxygen in the carbonyl compound is sp2 hybridized. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಓದಬಾರ್ದು. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಆಲ್ಕೆನ್ಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾಲೋರಿನ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಸ್, ಫಿನಾಲ್ಸ್, ಈಥರ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್, ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್, ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದರದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಏನು ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಏನು ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಬಾರ್ದು. This by using this method we should know what is the hybridization, and that will solve most of the question. For example, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಈ 1 2 3 4 ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now let me take carboxylic acid. Okay, let me take carboxylic acid, C double bond O OH. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ O1 O2 ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ 2 ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Now we will find out the hybridization of this oxygen, we will find out the hybridization of this oxygen. The hybridization of this oxygen will be number of sigmas are 1, lone pair will always remain as 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 can be written as 1 plus 2 once again, sp, s mele 1, p mele 2, sp2 hybridization. Okay, look at O2 over here, second oxygen, number of sigmas 1, there is one more with hydrogen, don't forget it. So number of sigmas are 2 sigmas, number of lone pair of electrons will always remain 2. Okay, so 2 plus 2, 4. 4 can be written as 1 plus 3. So this is sp3 hybridization. In the case of carboxylic acid, one oxygen sp2 hybridized, another oxygen is sp3 hybridized. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು in detail ಆಗಿ topic ಅಲ್ಲಿ explain ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Fine. Now the last question, what about alene? Double bond ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು sp ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಗಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಲು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So sp2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So let me take this carbon atom over here, and now the number of sigmas, there is 1 and 1, 2 sigmas plus number of lone pair on carbon, 4 bonds there, 0, can be written as 1 plus 1. So the hybridization is sp hybridized. So this question mark can be ruled out from your head and you can confidently write it as sp hybridization. Is this clear? Now I will just write a question on the board. Now you just try to find out the hybridization, and in the next video I will just discuss few more things about the concept of hybridization. Now the structure which I would like is CH3, OCH3, CH3, N double bond N, C6H5. Let me put it as C6H5 over here, and let me take CH triple bond C, C double bond C, one hydrogen, CH2. Try to find out the hybridizations of carbon, oxygen, nitrogen by using the formula or the rule which we discussed earlier. Thank you.